Looks like we have a new warning, but that's a severe thunderstorm warning that just popped up with this one. So the tornado warning has been dropped off. It just finished. It was up until 3:15. And here's the new warning until 3:45. This is going to be for hail, very likely. So that severe thunderstorm warning is up for northwestern Worcester County, as well as parts of Hampshire and Hampden County until 3:45. So this is producing some very large hail, and that's why they have a warning out. Severe thunderstorm warnings are either hail or very strong winds or both. This one is primarily going to be some very large hail. Could be up to 1 inch in diameter or about quarter size, somewhere in that range. But they are looking at radar. They're kind of seeing what we've been talking about here, that there's not a lot of rotation with the storm near the ground at this point, so that the main risk is really the large hail and the heavy rainfall. And I think that will probably continue to be the trend as it travels farther north into the colder air, temperatures in the 40s. It's just, just enough spin in the atmosphere and just enough instability where we saw that spin up earlier on. But the farther north it goes, the colder and colder it gets, and the more time spent in that colder air. It makes it difficult for the storm to get down to the ground. So that severe thunderstorm warning, there you see it in effect, east side of Hardwick, Oakham area, up toward Barry and Gardner, right up to the Route 2 corridor here, traveling right in this zone, bring some heavy rain and some quarter-sized hail. Very hazardous to travel. Good time to stay indoors with this storm. Good news is, tornado warning no longer in effect. If anything changes as we head through the afternoon and we make our way into the evening, we'll pass it on to you right away. You can always get the latest on cbsboston.com. And if those warnings are issued, remember the safest place, because we're kind of getting back into severe weather season. So even if this doesn't touch down anywhere, it's a good primer. Lowest level of the house. If you don't have a basement, it's just the lowest level. It's away from the windows. It's away from doors. It's away from outside walls. That's where you always want to be when there's a tornado warning issued. It's great information. Just keep in the back of your mind as we head deeper into May and June and July, typically busier, severe weather months for us. But for right now, we've got our severe thunderstorm warning. We've got heavy rain tracking off to the east. Any more warnings? We'll be with you as we make our way deeper into the afternoon. And again, you can always get the latest on our website at cbsboston.com. And thank you for being with us for this severe weather coverage.